Yo, what's good everybody? Dwaine Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And guys, I want to welcome you to episode 1 of my new series called The Grocery List. If you guys been watching my channel for any amount of time, then you know that the number one thing that I'm trying to accomplish with my channel is let you know that anybody can do edibles. So what we're going to do with this series, The Grocery List, this is going to be a series where I take everyday grocery list items and show you how to infuse them, turning them into a Good Eats 420 style dish. The first thing that we're going to be doing is the Tyson pork roast with vegetables. As you can see right here, I'm opening up the package. Inside the package, we have a boneless pork shoulder. We have one bag containing our vegetables, which are carrots, onions, and potatoes. And also we have the packet of pork roast seasoning. What I'm doing first is I'm opening up the boneless pork shoulder, and I know some people say not to wash it and whatnot, but I decided to wash mine. I put it inside this pan right here, as you can see. The next thing I did was I opened up the bag of vegetables. I cut up the onion into different pieces. I cut up some of the potatoes. I have some of the potatoes up right here. Spread the carrots and all the vegetables around the pork shoulder. After that, you take your pork roast seasoning, put it in a cup of water, and pour it on top and on the vegetables. Now you know that we have to make this Good Eats 420 style. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the butter that we made with the Levo. And speaking on that, I do want to thank the great people at Levo for sponsoring today's video. You can always use the code GoodEats420 to get 10% off your order. The butter that we're using right now is the same butter that we made in the Levo video. Once again, use the code GoodEats420. You'll get 10% off your order at levooil.com. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, what I'm doing is I'm taking 6 tablespoons of this great butter that we made with the Levo, and I'm cubing it up, and we're gonna put it all around the pork roast just like we did with the vegetables. After that, we're gonna cover it up with aluminum foil. The oven has already been preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put it in the oven, and we're gonna set our timer for 3.5 hours. That's it. We have 3.5 hours to waste. So I'll see you guys after that, and we'll check out how our pork roast looks. Alright, so it's been 3.5 hours. We're gonna open up the aluminum foil. And this right here is a great time to use your magical butter thermometer that came with your Decarbox. One of the great things that you can do with the thermometer is you can use it as a candy thermometer or a meat thermometer like we're going to do right now. You want to make sure that your pork is above 160 degrees Fahrenheit. With the magical butter thermometer, you can do Fahrenheit or Celsius. Make sure it's above 160 Fahrenheit. As you can see right here, it came in at 192.9 Fahrenheit inside of our pork shoulder. So that means that it's cooked thoroughly and we're ready to go. If you're interested in getting a magical butter thermometer and Decarbox combo, I still have them for sale on my site for $42. shop.goodeats420.com. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to baste the pork with that great butter and the juice that came out of the onions and everything. We're gonna baste it with that. Look how great this looks. Doesn't it look great? And then once you've done that and you have it exactly how you want to, now it's time to serve it. You can cut it up inside of the pan, or you can pull it apart however you want to do it. Cut it up, pull it apart, and that's it. I want to thank you all for watching. This has been episode 1 of The Grocery List. In the comment section, let me know what else do you want to see me kick up Good Eats 420 style. I appreciate all the love from everybody. If you want to support me off of YouTube, come support me on Patreon. Thank you so much to all my Patreon patrons. I really appreciate all the love from everybody. Until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.